Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys the brand new project that we will be restoring. Let me switch the camera around so I can show you exactly what we are working with. All right, here she is. This is a 2021 Tesla Model 3. I just got it delivered like an hour ago. I just hooked up the battery to the charger, but as you can see, the entire inside is completely stripped. The sides are completely stripped. There's stuff literally everywhere. This is like the windshield also right there cracked, so that will need to be replaced. I literally just put the battery on the charger to see if we can get it jump started, if we can get it going. As you can see, it will need a ton of work. It was in a slight fender bender. As you can see in the front, it does have a ton of damage. Not really like bad. The car, from what I've seen on the ad, it still runs and drives, but the battery is on 0. So I will literally need to charge this battery first before I hook it up to the actual Tesla charger. Check it out. Also, the car came with all of the parts. Like everything that was stripped out, the door panels, like literally everything. Check it out. It will definitely take a long time to fix, to put everything together, but we will be able to achieve it. All right. This is my small garage. So I took off the hood. I just unwrapped everything. It was like covered, I guess, to prevent water from entering the vehicle. Obviously, it's going to need a new fender, bunch of stuff put back on. A lot of the parts are already in the car and in the trunk, but check this out. Oops. All right. As you can see, I'm in the basement and I have a ton of parts. Those are the door panels. I got brand new lights. Check it out. These are the old ones. One of them might be good, so I will definitely try to resell that one. Here's another brand new light and another one over there. Also, pretty much the speakers, the door panels, the fan, the radiator. The majority of the parts are definitely here. Obviously, I will need to order some more parts that are damaged, but so far we have a big puzzle to solve in right here as well. Obviously, my main goal is to bring this Tesla Model 3 back to life and back on the road where it belongs. As you can see, the light is in the vehicle. So I will be making a lot of videos on this vehicle, showing you guys how I do all the repairs, how I hopefully put everything together where it belongs, and troubleshoot all the issues that come along with the vehicle. Hopefully this battery charges today. That way I can hook up the actual Tesla charger, and then we can see what we are working with. Some more information about the vehicle. Obviously, it is red. It does have 1,542 miles, which is extremely low. Literally, I'm guessing someone bought this car, drove it for a couple of weeks, had the accident, and then the insurance took it over. Once the insurance took it over, I believe they sent it to a repair shop where they literally took off all of the interior pieces. I do not know what their reasoning is, but they ended up literally stripping the entire car. All the parts are still there, so we will see how things turn out. One other thing that the repair shop did that I absolutely love is they wrote all the problems on the windshield. As you can see, the windshield will need to be repaired. And when we go to the other side, check it out. They literally wrote down everything that this car needs in this area right here where the accident happened. As you can see, upper strut mounts, control arms, bearings, the spindle, all of that stuff. So it pretty much gives us a list of the parts that we need to order. Here's the most of the damage happened there. Everything is being held by these zip ties. They literally just put it together so I can roll it into the garage. But I will be ordering brand new parts, and hopefully this Tesla will make it back on the road. Also, I will be breaking down the entire cost of rebuilding this Tesla. I will show you guys exactly what I'm paying for every single part, for paint, for labor, which I will most likely do myself. But every single dollar that goes into rebuilding this car, I will write it down and I will show you exactly how much everything costs. And hopefully at the end, we will have a nice driving Tesla. for a decent price. Now you're probably wondering, how much money did I spend on this Tesla? Well, I spent $18,000 even. So that is how much I spent on the car. I also spent $200 to have the car delivered to my house, and I spent an additional $150 on the Tesla charger. So including the charger and the delivery, I have $18,350 invested in this Tesla. So my goal is to have this Tesla fully repaired, running and driving, and I want to spend under $25,000. That is the target, and I think we'll be able to reach it. So the first thing that I will do with this Tesla is get the rest of the parts out of the vehicle, put them in the basement, and then I will slightly clean the vehicle, get all this dust off, this mud, this tape residue that was holding down the cover so water doesn't get it inside. And then I will remove both of the fenders, the bumper, and we're going to figure out what parts we need in order to repair this Tesla. While I am waiting for parts, I will get the interior cleaned and I will start reassembling everything. All of these parts that are good will go back into the vehicle. All right, everybody, that concludes this quick video. If you want to follow the journey, make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, drop it in the comment section below. Smash the like button and see you in the next video. Peace out.